Hello friends, this is Santosh Kumar here, and today we are going to learn about process of making the KPI dashboard with using the option of tooltip. So in this dashboard, you can see some of the KPI parameters like service level, sales amount, attendance, and the target against each respective KPI. Service level 75%, sales amount 120, and attendance 85%. These are the targets, these are the achievements, and these are the status. If the actual achievement is less than the target, then the status is showing as red. And if the actual achievement is more than the target, then the actual status is showing as green. If status is dynamic as per the actual achievement, and if let's say as an example, if we will change your actual achievement by 80%, then it will turn the status, it will turn to green. So you can see how the status are getting changed dynamically. And then here, this is the tooltips created here with the button. And then show tooltip option, it is created here with the tick mark option. So if you will press service level tooltip button, it will show the KPI of that respective service level, then sales amount, and then similarly for the attendance. So this is the kind of dashboard which is made with using the tooltip option. And let's start making this dashboard, and we will make it from the scratch level. So this is, you can see, this is one of the blank sheet. So let's see what are the KPI parameters here. The KPI parameters here, it is service level, sales level, attendance. Let's update the data here. And what are the headers here? KPI, then target, then actual, then status, and then tooltip. These are the headers there. And service level. Service level, what are the, let's say 75, 120, and this is 75%. This is 120 million, and this 90%. Let's assume this is the target, and the actual, it is 55%, and sales amount here, it is 150 million, and the attendance here is 75%. And this is amount, if you want unit to be appear here, so you can do it by using the custom formatting option. For getting that custom formatting, you have to press Ctrl+1. Once you will Ctrl+1 option, this window will get open. In this window, go to this custom option, and from this custom option, just select this one. This will show as this is applicable for the number, and then inside double quote, write your unit, millions. So now you can see the million, it will appear here. Now for the status, you can apply one of the logic here. If my actual achievement is greater than this one, 75, then it is 1, otherwise it should come as 0. Let's drag it down and do some alignment here in the center. And let's apply conditional formatting here. Let's go to the manage rule. In this conditional formatting, let's move here, and this, from this option, the icon should come green when, let's convert it a number of number type, and my when value is greater than or is equal to 1, it should be green, and when my value is less than or is greater than or is equal to less than 1 and greater than 0, it should be like this color, and when it is less than or is equal to 0, it should be red. And I want only icon only and no any kind of data. So now you can see the option here. The status has converted into icon type, and then these are the tooltips. Now we have to get, get the tooltip button here. So for right now, let's convert this data into table format. For converting the data into table format, select your entire sheet and press Ctrl T. Once you will press Ctrl T, it will convert into a table option like this. And this table design will appear here. And let's select one of the any design. And select this, make it in table format like this. And let's increase the size of row some little bit. And do some more formatting. And let's align this icon in center. And for getting the option of tooltip here, the button tab, which you are seeing in the dashboard, this tooltip button, you can get it from the developer after going into developer. If this developer tab, it is not appearing in your Excel sheet, you can get it by going into the file option and from file to option. And this option, from this option, you have to go in this customize ribbon, and from this, you have to select all command. After selecting this all command, the developer will appear here. And after selecting the developer thing, as I have already shifted my developer to this side. So that is why it is not appearing here. So you have to do the same thing here. You have to select developer and then press add. Once you will press add, the developer will shift in this to this right side box, and then you have to press OK. So after doing this, the developer tab will appear here in your these ribbons. So for getting the button, you have to go in this developer and then inside and this option button. You will get the option button here. So let's remove this text here. And this option button, let's copy and paste it to another row also. And this, let's align it in center. So now it has got aligned in one center. And for getting the option for the tooltip, you have to once again go inside this developer and then to insert, and this tick mark button, you can see it will appear. It will get appear here. And just rename this checkbox with the option of show tooltip. Let's shift it to some suitable place. And let's do some formatting here. Let's remove the grid line. So this is, now we have prepared our master sheet as of now. In this header here, KPI dashboard with tooltip, you can do like this. Go from this illustration, go to the shape, and this shape from this here. There's this option and write KPI dashboard with tool tip. Just now align it in the center. Increase the size of text as per requirement. And let's change the color. It seems a little bit better. And let's make it bold. So this seems good. Then let's do some formatting here. I don't want this line. So now we have created the header also. And let's fix the property so that when you will increase the size of this column, your header size will not get changed. So don't over size with self. So now this we have done. So as of now, we have prepared the master sheet. Now we need to work for the show tooltip. For working for the show tooltip, let's prepare the supporting sheet for the KPI parameters. What are our KPI parameters? Service level, that's for Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Let's take some data. Uh, to 99%. And let's drag it down so that we will get some values converted and then converted in percentage. So now as of we have got the service level, let's copy and paste it so that the data will not get changed. And what is our next KPI parameter? And let's select some box here where we need to make our visualization chart based on this data. So we have selected this box. Let's make it a little bit bold. And the similar size we will create for the service level, sales level, and then for the attendance level. So that's for the sales level. Sales level, let's put some country names: USA, India, Kenya. In sales level, in USA, the sales amount, let's say 150 million. In India, it's like say 110. And here it is 75. And for attendance level, let's take the names of some person, Lina, 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 Lala, Majnu, and let's take some random figures here to make some visualization chart based on the figures. So let's take some data in between 50 to 99%. Let's drag it down and let's convert it in some percentage, copy paste. So let's copy and paste it so that the data will not get changed again. So we have, as of now, we have prepared our master sheet. And now let's, based on this master sheet data, let's make our some visualization chart. Let's select this option and then go to this insert and let's select this bar chart. Now let's do some formatting here. I don't want this axis. Let's select the data labels here. Do some bolding. Do the bolds of some all data labels. Let's move this axis, vertical axis. Rename this chart title as service level. Let's can do the formatting of this chart by with varying the colors for each quarter, and I don't want the line for this bar chart. And for this option also, I don't want any kind of fill and no any kind of line. And for this axis, I don't want the line here. So now you can see we have done the formatting here. And let's put it inside this box. It seems now better. Let's do the formatting of this horizontal axis also. And in the after let's remove the grid line after going into this view ribbon. So we have prepared the our KPI for the service level parameter. Similarly for other, let's do the same thing. Here, let's shift this data from to this side, and like this, and let's convert this figure, change this chart type into pivot. For this, we have to select this change chart type and then pie chart. So you can see, just rename this as sales level, the chart name. Let's make it bolder. And let's change the digit also here also. More options like so the ligand. So ligand it is not, it's okay 75, 150, and for let's move this. This is for the USA and on the followed option, let's select for USA, India, and Kenya. So right now this is okay as of now. Let's similarly prepare the visualization chart for attendance level also. So let's shift your this data. We need to take both of the figure together. So how दोनों को फिगर हमको एक साथ लेना है तो इसको हम जो है Let's do it once again from the beginning. यहाँ पे हम लोग जो है दोनों को एक साथ सिलेक्ट कर लेते हैं। यहाँ पे हो नहीं रहा है तो data we need to shift from this side to right, and this one we need to shift from this यहाँ पर। Let's increase the size and let's convert this into bar graph. So, in chart type, go to this bar option and select your KPI in this format. Let's change the chart header to attendance level. So right now, as of you can see, we have created the visualization chart for all the KPI respective levels. यहाँ पे visualization we can increase, improve it further. So this seems a little bit better. Hmm. So we have created the visualization chart for each of our KPI parameter and do one more thing. Let's create the shape for the arrow. Let's turn it like this. And let's reduce the size of this arrow. Now this seems okay. And let's shift it here. The size is still showing. Now this is okay. Yes, now this is okay. So let's shift this to in the center for sales level and for attendance level, let's shift it to bottom. This you have to do it by selecting the control button and then select this and then you can drag it as per your requirement. Let's do the control Z. So we have placed the arrow and so we have created the visualization chart for each of our KPI parameter for showing in the tooltip. And for the tooltip here, we have to assign the link this button to some cell. So let's take the reference of the cell here right now for this one. Press enter. So what will happen once you will select this? It will come as one. If you will select this second option, it will come 2. And if you will select the third option, it will appear as 3. So let's name this as selection. Then for the show tooltip, this let's link this show tooltip button here with this one option to this cell and let's press it. So once you will press it, now it is coming as true, and once you will press and take this, it will show as false. So what we should do now, if What tooltip it should show here? What? Let's apply the logic here. If it is false, then if it is false, then it should appear as blank. And if it is one, then it should select as service level. And if this appears as two, then it must give the option for the sales. And then write it down under the double quote. Sales underscore label. And if here it is here in M2 it is appearing as 3, then it must show the KPI for attendance underscore level. Uh, Else it should show as blank. So let's close this loop. And this for the second loop, and this is for the third loop, and this for the final loop, and let's close it down. So here we have created our criteria. Now tooltip option, it is right now false, it is unticked. Once I will press it tick option, it will show the level for the attendance. Third. So now let's create the indirect option for these all tooltip levels. So let's do it. Create in this formula and the name manager. In this name manager, what is my this one option? It is for the service level. And this one, it is for the sales level. यहाँ से यहाँ तक हम लोगों ने सेलेक्ट कर लिया है और we have named this as sales level. And then for this KPI, let's name this as attendance underscore level. So these are all the names, same names which we have created here. So we have linked these names with these respective cells. You can see attendance level here, it is in the name box, it is appearing here. For this, it is appearing on sales level. So as of now, and for this, let's create the indirect option for our tooltip also. So tooltip, and here I have to select indirect option for this attendance level. So when I will take the indirect option, it will take the value whatever inside this cell as it is. So we have created the option for tooltip also, and let's close this. So what we can do, just press this, select this, and copy paste here with this like this, copy paste it with link, and here you have to select tooltip. That's it. So now you can see as whatever the cell you will select for option 1, it will show the KPI for the service level. For option 2, it will show the KPI for the sales level, and for 3, it will show the KPI for attendance level. As it is showing down to, let's increase your size of the row as per the requirement. Now this seems okay. So let's uh, do some formatting little bit. This seems little bit okay. तो हम लोग जो है इसको सेंटर में अलाइन कर देते हैं. This seems more better. Let's align it in the center. And similarly, this one also. This is okay. So now your tooltip is ready now. If you will untick this button, so we for this untick it must show blank. So we need to create the indirect option cell for blank also. So what you have to do? Let's select this one and delete this one from here and create the name manager for this also. For creating the name manager, do the same thing. This for the blank. Close. So when it is appearing blank, it should show blank. And when I will select the show tooltip button, my tooltip option will appear here. So friends, the dashboard is now ready. Let's name this sheet as dashboard, and this sheet as supporting sheet. You can hide this sheet also as this you don't want to show. And now your dashboard is ready with the final touch. So I hope you understand the logic here with the process which I have done from the zero scratch level. If you want any kind of understanding, please ping me up. Thank you very much for watching the video and for getting more videos like this. Please like like this video so that I will get motivated to create more videos like this for more and more learning for you. Thank you very much once again.